This is like, crap. I can only imagine what I'm doing right now is like going to a proctologist to get a root canal. It just doesn't make much sense. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Behind me, got that Porsche 912. I did an update video, I don't know, a week ago maybe. If you haven't seen that, go through my things and you'll see why it's back, because it did leave. It wanted to retire again. Nutshell is, it was unhappy and, you know, dropped the valve. So, this video, we're gonna get her back out of retirement. I guess it'd be a revival. But anyway, been waiting on parts. Finally got some parts in. I shotgun ordered what I think I need for this thing, and I'm hoping I'm right. So what I'm gonna start doing now is getting this engine ready to come out of the car, which hopefully should go fairly easy. I don't know if it's ever been out of the car before, so you know it's we'll learn together. I think I'll bring you in on important thingies, but other than that, I think I'm just gonna run the old time lapse on this thing. It's like pulling a Beetle engine or a Carmen Ghia or a Volkswagen engine, except you have a little more room, which I do like. I lie, it's like pulling a Ghia engine with less room. What I'm getting at is it's a Porsche. Let me shut up and start working. Let me get these things disconnected first. So let's start doing things. All right, guys. Well, if you watched my first video or first videos on this 68 912, you know we've been through most of this already, and this camera angle, it's very familiar. It's dark, and that's the best lighting I'm doing for you. But anyway, I'm gonna start taking this thing. Why did my vice grip drop? Hey, rotate that up again. There we go. I'm gonna start doing disconnect the electronics. I think I can get away with leaving the carbs on. I'm just worried about spacing on it. Looks like they'll clear. So that should be. Let me get down to your level. That should be easy enough. I have throttle. Basically, I'm just gonna start pulling wires apart. A fuel line. Yeah, should go semi easy. Where's the throttle cable on this thing? Is that gonna be a pain in the butt? Hello. There we go. All right, link it. Cable, link it, shaft, whatever. Just haven't pulled a 12 engine or a 356 engine in a while. Gotta refresh the old brain hole, but it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, I'll roll time lapse in. You can see this in real time. You see this in fast time coming apart. And like always, I will chime in with my beautiful commentary if I feel the need to. Please don't fight me that much, car. probably said this before. Is that even focus down a little bit? Probably said this before, but I know, I made the joke. This is basically doing a Volkswagen engine, which it pretty much is. But I know if you guys are watching this, mainly you're interested in Porsches or Volkswagens, and you probably have heard the story. Oh, I could pull a Volkswagen engine in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 22.85 seconds, whatever it is. The reason you usually can't is because, crap. I lost it. It's gone forever. There it is. The reason you usually don't, or I don't quote, pulling an engine in 10 minutes, is you never hear the backstory on those guys. Has the engine been off? Did they cut any, or ever been out before? Have they cut stuff to accomplish? I mean, I could take a whole Chevy 350 out of a square body in 10 minutes with a, Sawzall. What I'm getting at is, was it done right? And when was the last time it was out? And why was it out last time, mainly? But, rant over. This bolt sucks. Nut, whatever you want to call it. This is where I wish it was a Volkswagen. By the by. Try to give you guys a little bit of a status update here, or as best as I can. Still not going well. Now my frickin' borescope's going nuts. I have another one, but I don't know where it went. But anyway, I'm still fighting with the bolt for where the starter would be. And it's just not coming out. Crap. All right, we got status update like 3,907. I hopefully can make progress now. Or I'm hoping it is. I'm not gonna say it's not correct back there, but I don't feel it's correct. Granted, I said I'm rusty. I'm pulling 12 engines. Not gonna lie on that one. But also, I don't recall them being this much of a pain in the ass. Pardon my language. I've been on this bolt for about 30 minutes alone. Other side came out fine, if anyone cares on that one. This is just dumb. Hey guys. Nuts finally off. I think, I hope I preemptively didn't say this. Nope. Oh! Finally! Oh my Lanta. Washer. Dumb. Alright. Give me a second to get this car in the air. Give me a second to get this car in the air and I'll show you what the problem was. Did I take this other one off yet? Yeah, I dropped it. Top's unbolted. Bottom, all the work now is underneath. I'm pretty sure. So, wires disconnected, stuff like that. I'll double check with you guys so you could, double check me. My hair, selfie cam. It's been a night. So far, we're going on 2 hours of getting this engine out. Did I say it was going smooth in the beginning? I think I lied to myself. But anyway, let me get this thing up in the air and I'll show you what I was fighting. All right, car's up. Well, obviously I'm under it. See if I can get this thing out of here. Nope, it's stuck. What is going on now? Anyway, the stud that goes to the thing that comes through the starter and all that stuff. Can I take the whole starter out and pull that out? Hold on. Because I do have the starter loose. The stud that goes through the top here, the starter, well, she was just spinning. So every time you got that nut to spin, it just wasn't having any of this. And now I'm got crap in my eyes. Slightly puzzled on reassembly of how much of a pain in the butt it was, or is going to be to put back together. Yes, I had to use some self-locking pliers on that thing because, like I said, it wasn't having any of it. What are you doing? Where's the flashlight? I am not happy right now. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Can I get that damn thing out? Ah, man, it is wedged in there. Come on, stupid. Oh, you. Whew. Frickin' Alan. But anyway, what's out? Got a couple of got the 2 bolts under here, heater controls, and throttle cable, and she'll be ready to go. Boop boop. So let's I guess disconnect this stuff. All right, I think we're ready to pull now. I kind of goofed. Not really. I forgot to disconnect the forward engine mount. 2 bolts, boop, drop them, call them good. But that's at least out now, so I didn't take the bolts out. That's not it. Doink. And the other one. Doink. All right, this thing should be ready to slip and slide out now, hopefully. Into this. I hope I don't have to take that splash pan off. I'm probably going to have to take the splash pan off. Crap, why did I do that? Because I was lazy. Idiot. All right, after fighting with this frickin' muffler, what did I forget now? It should be, light. No. Holy crap. Be stuck on that. Just that. All right. Okie dokie. All righty. More progress. Oh, yeah, I forgot those. I should just lift and pull. You're not going to, are you? No, of course not. Why would you be that easy? at that. Let go of that harder. What are you doing now? There. Now let go of that. Thank you. All right, as I was trying to tell you guys, I don't like to lie to you. I goofed up, and I think in the beginning, I don't do 12s or 56s. That often they don't roll through is what I'm getting at. So there's a couple things I forgot. Mustache bar in the front was one of them. And forgot I got to take the whole damn exhaust off to get that heat shield off. But with those slight miscalculations on my end, this thing should just boop out now. I mean, it's so simple. I mean, it's crazy simple. Oh, what do I need now? Now you want to go down? Oh, I don't have something to hold on to. Look at that. Like, it's simple. Are we clear? Can we be clear? We're really clear. Now I still have this throttle cable attached, or whatever the hell you want to call it. Mainly because it didn't want to dislocate. So that's just going to hang out back there. I just got to remember it's there. Whew. And I got to make sure the body obviously clears the carburetors. Ugh. So far, so good. Everything going up. Looking happy. All right. Let me get this thing up all the way, and then I'll get back to you. Let me get a drag out of here. All right, guys. Engine's out. It's next to me. Few things when you actually remove these. Number one, if you did do it with the way I did it and not take out the trans, I didn't show it, but make sure you have it supported, because it's not like a bug and it doesn't have a cross shaft. Second, other beard face. Better. Second thing, if you didn't tune in or see the short video I had on why this car's back, that's why exhaust 4 just kind of went all to all the shit. Yeah, it's definitely a thing. So we're going to be tearing apart the whole side of this engine, and you know, putting new valves in, push rods, so on and so forth. Push rod. So, oh please, burp. Now you know what we got going on. All right, now you're up to date as to why this car is back and why the engine's out, so on and so forth. This whole head has to come off, and I'm hoping there's no internal damage. I did throw a bore scope down there. It looked good, so time will tell when I get this thing apart. All right, guys, I'm going to end this episode here, but first what I want to do is actually pull this rocker out because I know the whole car is coming apart. I want to see the see what happened. Next video we're going to have is you know, the whole tear down and rebuild and getting this thing back on the road. But I'm curious to the extent of damage that's with what all's going on. Oh yeah, she had some tension on her. Grab the keeper or the guide holder, the wedge. All right. Oh, she's relaxing. Bananaed. Kind of expected that. We have a new one, so not a big deal. And by new, I mean used. Come here, rocker. Come here. Rocker feels good. It's not locked up or anything. We gotta go look at the other side and see if this foot's bent. If it is bent, the adjuster foot, which it doesn't look it. I don't see any metal, you know, distortion or anything like that, but I'll compare it to the other side because they're the same. That looks all right. That's on, that's on. Found the problem. Busted valve spring. Supposed to be like that. Well, connected. Well, that's what happened. Valve spring snapped. Took out the whole engine, or at least this. Is the valve any good? I have another valve. Let me grab some, like I said, I shotgun ordered parts on what I felt would be the damage. Oh, she's duck. So, valve's bent as well. Getting out might be fun. But that's where we're at. Valve spring broke. Valve hit piston. Like I said, I bore scoped it, didn't look bad, so hopefully we're good there. But let me get another cut for my. All right, guys. Now you know exactly what I know without stripping this engine. That'd be in part 2 of this revival, if you will. Valve spring broke. Took everything out. Bent the valve, bent the push rod, so on and so forth. With that said, I'm going to end this episode, wait for the next one where I'm tearing this thing apart, putting it back together, finding out the actual extent of the damage that's going on. But anywho, if you did like this episode, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. If you do, I promise you, we will chit-chat. And as always, have a good day. See you on the next one.